This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook that cake rescue. First, let's identify the most common cake catastrophes, like a cake that's sunken in the middle or one that's turned out incredibly dry. We'll then dive into practical, easy-to-follow solutions to salvage your baking efforts, ensuring your cake is delicious and presentable. You'll also learn valuable tips to avoid these issues in your next baking adventure. A sunken cake often results from opening the oven door too early or incorrect leavening. To rescue it, carefully level the top with a serrated knife, removing the sunken portion. You can then fill the cavity with a generous layer of frosting, fruit, or even a complimentary curd. This not only hides the flaw, but also adds an extra layer of flavor and moisture, transforming a mishap into a masterpiece. If your cake is dry, don't despair. A simple syrup, made with equal parts sugar and water, can work wonders. Gently brush 2 to 3 tablespoons of the syrup over the cake layers. Alternatively, a thin glaze can add both moisture and shine. To prevent future dryness, always wrap your cooled cake tightly in plastic wrap and store it at room temperature for up to 3 days or freeze for longer. Prevention is key to perfect cakes. Always measure your ingredients precisely, using a kitchen scale for flour and sugar for accuracy within 1 gram. Calibrate your oven regularly. An oven thermometer can reveal if your oven is off by 10 or 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, avoid overmixing your batter and stick to recommended baking times, checking for doneness with a toothpick inserted into the center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.